Hello students, now we'll discuss about the type of ovary, that is hypogynous, okay, then we have perigynous and epigynous, okay. So in hypogynous, the gynoecium occupies the highest position, okay, while the other parts are situated below it. You can see here ovary, okay, and from the base of the ovary the stamen, or we can say androecium, is arising. The corolla, or we can say petals, are arising, and the sepals are arising. That means this is the thalamus part, and thalamus, okay, just above the thalamus first part is ovary, and then there is androecium, then corolla, then calyx, okay. Such type of ovary is called the hypogynous ovary, okay, and this ovary is also known as the superior ovary, and this is found in mustard, china rose, and brinjal, okay. And if gynoecium is situated in the center and other part of the flower are located on the rim of the thalamus almost at the same level, it is called perigynous, okay. Now here you can see, okay, B and C, both pictures, they shows the perigynous ovary, okay. So that means here you can see the ovary, okay, then your androecium, corolla, okay, and calyx, all are present almost at the same position, okay. Such ovaries are called the epigynous, okay, and this is also called the half inferior ovary, okay. So this B and C, they show the perigynous ovary, okay. Now this is also known as half inferior ovary, and it is found in, you can find these ovaries in plum, rose, and peach, okay, PP, okay, PPR. Next is PP, plum, peach, R, rose, okay. Next we have is the inferior ovary, okay, as you can see in case of the diagram D. Here the ovary is under, okay, all other parts. You can see calyx is above the ovary, okay, then corolla also above the ovary, okay, and androecium also above the ovary. So such an ovary is known as the inferior ovary, okay, and also called the epigynous ovary. The margin of the thalamus grow upwards. Here you can see the thalamus has grown upwards, the margin of the thalamus has grown upward, and it has enclosed the ovary completely and fused with it, okay. The other parts of the flower arise above the ovary. These parts are arising just above the ovary. So such ovary are called inferior, as in flower of guava, okay, cucumber, if you see, and in case of the sunflower you'll find inferior ovary, okay, this ovary. So we can say that there are three type of ovaries. First one is hypogynous, that is superior ovary. Next one is we have the perigynous, that is the half inferior ovary, and third one is the epigynous ovary, or that is called the inferior ovary, okay.